Hi friends, we are starting a face-to-face offline batch in Bangalore with SS Academy. That is for CA Final Financial Reporting paper number 1. Yeah, we'll be taking exactly 2 months from 1st November to 31st December. We'll complete it. It is starting from 1st November 2022. Yes, and in Jayanagara branch of SS Academy, we have morning batch and evening batch will be at Seshadripuram SS Academy. Right, and if the student is missing because of any reasons, right, they are going to get a backup class. All right, we'll ensure that their things, they will study and complete, and from the face to face batch, the benefits out of it. We'll be completing the syllabus in time. You don't need to postpone and you don't need to compromise for your goals. See you in the class. Please share this information to your friends. That will help me and as well. Thank you. Next, for my books, that is an Ind AS Made Easy, our financial reporting made easy, and fast track summary book. Yes, you can order in ravikanthmiriyala.com, or you can contact the given number for the books. Right, for your doubts, clarification, please join the Telegram group, Ind AS discussion group, RKM. Yeah, these charts are from my book, that is Quick Revision Fast Track Chart Book on Financial Reporting, which is available in my website, that is ravikanthmiriyala.com, as well as it is available in the market. Yeah, let us look at Ind AS 34 interim financial reporting. This is one of the small standard, right? See, this interim financial reporting is basically to give a financial update before you provide annual report. Correct? No? If you give every year once, then investors have to wait for 1 year. In between every quarterly or half yearly, if you provide this financial information, a financial update, that will be helpful to the users. That is the objective of it, right? But what the listed companies which are preparing under clause 41 of the listing agreement, that does not, that is not exactly interim financial reporting. It is not interim, because they prepare interim financial results. They will prepare interim financial results. The format is different, and so it does not actually comply with, exactly it does not comply with Ind AS 34. Yeah, 34 says very clearly, you can say that, you can use the word Ind AS 34 only when the interim financial reporting complies 100% with Ind AS 34. That means including presentation, disclosure, recognition, sub-measurement, everything in all aspects you should be complying with Ind AS 34, right? But the listed companies, what they are giving in format wise, they are not in line with Ind AS 34. That's why you see any listing, interim report of any listed company, they'll never use the word Ind AS 34. Yeah, see, in this financial update, a company has an option whether you can present complete set of financial statements or condensed set of financial statements. Complete set in the sense, normal as usual balance sheet, P&L, cash flow, changes in statement of equity, and notes to financial statements in detail. If you have taken complete set, what you were preparing for the annual reporting, exactly same you are supposed to do it. You will not have any exemptions. If it is a condensed set, then you can prepare condensed balance sheet, condensed P&L, condensed cash flow statement, condensed notes to financial statements, everything condensed. Yeah, so condensed cash flow in the sense, like you will have only one line, right? Cash flows from operating activity, one number. Cash flows from investing activity, one number. Cash flow from financing activity, one number. It's like that. Okay, condensed balance sheet and profit and loss, only heading, subheading. We don't give full detailed information. Full disclosures will not be provided. The notes to financial statement also will be having only, like, say, updated in updation. Correct? There significant events or transactions. And one more thing, you have to give, even though it is a condensed P&L, you have to provide EPS, that is basic and diluted EPS is mandatory to provide it. Okay, I said only significant events and circumstances, that is change in accounting policy. Any Ind AS 10, that is events occurring after the balance sheet date which are significant, right? Any dividend payment, segment reporting, and any business combination, change in the capital structure. That means you issued a lot of debentures, or you issued equity share capital, or there is a buyback of share capital. It is something which is crucial, where the company wanted to disclose this information to the public, or users of financial statement, then that information only will be presented. Not every routine normal disclosures are not going to be presented. Next, the period of interim financial reporting with respect to balance sheet current period. Suppose it is 30th September, second quarter, assume 30th September date, but comparative will be not 30th September 2018, it is going to be 31st March 2019. That is last financial year, last annual report date you are supposed to present it. That is one important point. Next, with respect to profit and loss, if it is not a seasonal business, then 2 columns will come. If it is a seasonal business, then 3 columns will come. What are the 3 columns? Right, first is current quarter. Only quarter to Q2 results will come. Then cumulative results in the sense Q1 plus Q2 result will come. And if it is into seasonal business, the third one will come additionally. What is third one? 1 year from the 30th 9. You will be giving 1 year completely. Previous year also 1 year completely will provide. Means 30th 9 2019 means 1/10 2018 to 30th 2019 P&L will be provided. Yeah, because it is a seasonal. As you know, if it is a seasonal business, one season may income will be more, another season may income may not be that much. That's the reason, to give a proper comparison, will provide the 1 year information. With respect to cash flow statement of changes in equity, year to date in the sense 1/4/2019 to 30th 9 2019. Last year also same 1/4/2018 to 30th 9 2018 you will be providing it. Cash flow statement again 2. 2 in the sense, if it is seasonal means additional will come. If it is not seasonal, then only for the cumulative period means in the sense 1/4/2019 to 30th 9 2019, the 6 months cash flow statement. Comparative also in the same fashion. If it is seasonal business, 12 months comparative. 12 months cash flow information is supposed to be provided. And listen, they will try to give you in exam by saying seasonal income or something, right? To remember, for seasonal purpose there is no separate accounting, right? Next, 30th 9 I am preparing, but even though I am preparing 30th 9, one should keep in mind this is only 31st March. If it is 31st March, what is the general way you will do accounting? Same accounting you are supposed to do it. That means if it is 31st March, do you recognize this as an asset? Now also recognize an asset. No sir, we charge it to P&L. Now also you charge it to P&L. That's all. No separate rules. The same rules of asset, liability, income, expense, equity, everything is same. There is no difference. Next, as usual, accounting policies, we expect that, whatever the accounting policies, your consistency you must have maintained, but you don't need to give once again. If you are following condensed set of financial statements, you don't need to give the accounting policies entirely once again. You can say refer the previous year annual report simply. Yeah, if there is a change in policy, yes, retrospective restatement is required. That is normal as usual. Like as per Ind AS 8, we will follow the same thing, right? And the normal estimations, normal materiality concept, everything remains same. I feel it is annual report and do accounting exactly. That will do. The only something new in the sense income tax expenditure. The tax expense in the sense current tax plus deferred tax together. The tax expense should be the best estimation of weighted average annual income tax rate. We have to calculate weighted average income tax rate. But remember, weighted average annual income tax rate. That means you have to project the income. That is, it will happen in 3 steps. I say step number 1. Project what will be the taxable income. Project what, not taxable income. Project what will be the accounting income. Project what will be the accounting income for the full year. Second, project what will be the, for the accounting income is this number, then what will be the taxable income and tax liability. because as you know, accounting income plus or minus, that is exemptions, allowed, disallowed, something will be there in income tax, you learnt, right? So then afterwards taxable income will come. On the taxable income you will apply the tax rate. Then tax liability will come. E-liability step 2. E-liability step 2 divided by step 1 into 100 if you apply, then you will get the weighted average. Our weighted average percentage is supposed to be applied on your accounting income. Quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4, you are supposed to apply it. That's it, my dear. This is the small thing. If you like this video, please share it and let it be helpful to your friends as well. Right. Thank you. Wish you the very best.